In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master workspace sheet in Google Chrome. We're going to put together a simple, practical sheet that helps you organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate smoothly with your team. The goal is to create one central workspace that's easy to update and easy for everyone to understand at a glance. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Google Sheets. From there, create a new sheet that will act as your master workspace. This sheet can be used for project tracking, daily task management, team assignments, or any workflow where multiple people need to stay aligned. Before adding anything advanced, make sure your layout is clear and readable so the sheet can function as a reliable shared hub. Next, add interactive checkboxes to the cells where you want task completion to be tracked. To do that, highlight the cells you want to use, then go to the Insert menu and choose Checkbox. This is a very useful feature because it turns a regular cell into a clickable progress marker. Instead of typing words like done or complete, anyone using the sheet can simply click the checkbox. That makes updates faster, cleaner, and much more consistent, especially when several people are contributing to the same document. After the checkboxes are in place, apply conditional formatting so completed tasks stand out visually. Open the Format menu and select Conditional Formatting. From there, create a rule that responds when a checkbox is marked. For example, you can change the background color of the row or highlight specific task cells when the box is checked. This makes your workspace much easier to scan because completed items are instantly recognizable without anyone needing to read every line. Visual cues like this can save time and reduce confusion when the sheet starts to fill up. Once the sheet is set up, share the link with your team members so everyone can collaborate in real time. This is what transforms the sheet from a personal tracker into a true workspace. Team members can update progress